Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to create an n26 account. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Well, creating your n26 account is actually pretty easy, but although there's going to be a few things or a few requirements for you to actually sign up or have an account with them. Now, first things first is you first have to be a resident in the US. Now, if you're accessing the n26 website or the application outside the US, then unfortunately this will not work. Now, in this case, what we need to do first is we need to go to their website here, or you could go ahead and start downloading the application that they have from Google Play Store. Now, in this case, we are in a browser here, and we should be able to see their website. Now, typically at the top section of your screen, you should see the Open Bank Account section. But first, we need to discuss how do we actually open up our account for n26. Now, in this case, what we need to do is click on Open Bank Account here. And typically, the process itself is actually straightforward and pretty easy. So first things first is you need to basically enter your country of residence here. Now, depending on where you are actually accessing the website itself, the following prompts will actually appear on your screen. Now, generally, for you to basically start creating your account, you need to have an email address, you need the application installed on your mobile device, and from the mobile device itself, you need to enter a few details about yourself. So that includes your identity, and from then on, once you complete the whole process, you should be able to get your account. And in this case, we want to first enter our country. So once you've entered that, just click on Get Started, and depending on, again, where you are currently located, you will be able to access a specific page here. So since in this case, I'm currently located in the Philippines, it's going to say join the waiting list, because since right now n26 is not available. But if n26 is available in your current region, you should be able to see a new page wherein you need to enter a few details about yourself. So that includes your full name, your address, or any proof of ID, or any information that they need from you. So go ahead and answer that. And once you've answered that, they might redirect you to your phone again to take a photo or a proof of identification, just to make sure that you are you who's actually applying. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.